If you wind up visiting Avalon on Catalina Island, you have adventure awaiting you. The Catalina Aerial Adventure Rope Course. It is a large ropes course through a grove of towering eucalyptus trees. You start off with a safety briefing, gear donning.
Indiana Jones!
Afterwards, you run through a miniature practice course to acclimate yourself with the Tarzan process.
Was it hard, Megan? Do you know how to do this?
No.
Look at you go. Look at her. Look at her. She's trying. She's trying. You got it!
There are guides there to assist and help you out if you wind up in a tangle.
You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Being back on an obstacle course in the Marine Corps.
There are 5 self-guided, self-paced courses. 2 beginner, 2 intermediate, and 1 advanced configuration. Offering all different levels of adventure for everyone, regardless of skill or athletic ability.
That's me! I'm Mario! Scoot! Down scuff your bum! Feels like I'm dancing. I'm dancing on the air. Whew.
The duration for the event is 90 minutes total. This gives you enough time to do multiple courses throughout the grove.
Look at that. Look at that one over there.
All participants must be age 7 or older, at least 55 inches tall, and weigh 50 to 270 pounds. Closed-toed shoes are required. The entire experience was a blast for someone who has outgrown their McDonald's Tunneltown days and still has a heart for adventure.
Woohoo! Ryan, this is for you.
No.
Repelling, repelling, repelling. And we hit the ground running. Megan got saved.
I did.
She
I went
needed
on the
saving.
second hardest one though.
She went on the second hardest one. She
Nobody
did.
told me before we got on.
The Treetop playground. We're going on the Treetop playground. And there's zip
Look at
liners
that.
above us. Going across. So this is where we split ways. She goes on the lower, and I go on the upper.
I am proud of you and I'm excited to watch you.
Oh, well this will be fun for you. Then we'll go back to the intermediate. I'm going.
The course makes you really assess how you're going to get to the next platform in the trees.
Strap into this, which is a pulley system. Lots of pulley systems, but I hang on to this bar here. And then I'm tight walk roping down below where my feet are down there. Going through the trees. It's hard being our height. I think I'm gonna try going on this side maybe. That's a good way to do it. Forget that. What the heck, dude? Okay. I see. I see. They do it on purpose.
Team building and problem solving is one of the key takeaways from this course. I encourage anyone looking to help better those traits in their life to give this a try when coming to Avalon.
Ouch. You alright? I guess Advil's gonna be needed after this.
Got that?
I got it. There you go, Megan. Scooch across.
Try to balance it before you put your phone. There you go. Yeah, I see.
We still got all the way over there. All right.
Yeah. All right. I did it.
I'm up here.
Where are you? There you are.
Nice and easy. Lower ropes course. That was fun, wasn't it?
The red things are fun. I like that one.
We did the intermediate, beginner, and the black diamond. We split up
I
the
want
black
you to do
diamond
my
beginner.
intermediate one so bad, but we don't have time.
You want to do the black diamond one?
I know. Pretty.